Beyond wall hangings. The unique macrame projects you never knew existed. Macrame has evolved far beyond the bohemian wall hangings it's most famous for, offering opportunities to create everything from functional furniture to wearable art. Let's explore these unique macrame projects in greater depth, offering ideas and tips to inspire your next creative endeavor. 1. Macrame hammocks. Macrame hammocks bring a laid-back charm to any outdoor or indoor space. Unlike standard hammocks, these are crafted with intricate knotting patterns, resulting in both strength and beauty. Tips for success. Use durable cords like nylon or polyester for outdoor hammocks to withstand weather conditions. Focus on uniform knotting to ensure the hammock's weight is distributed evenly for safety. Add fringe or tassels to the edges for an extra decorative touch. Advanced idea. Create a hanging chair using macrame techniques for a cozy indoor reading nook. 2. Fashion accessories. Bags and purses. Macrame handbags range from casual totes to elegant evening clutches. You can mix patterns and incorporate beads or wooden handles for variety. Materials. Use sturdy cords like cotton for durability and style. Choose colors that match your wardrobe or experiment with dip dyeing for a gradient effect. Jewelry. Delicate macrame techniques make stunning bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. Incorporating beads, stones, or charms into the designs can add a unique flair. Popular styles. Friendship bracelets with adjustable sliding knots. Macrame chokers featuring semi-precious stones. 3. Enhanced plant hangers. The classic plant hanger can be modernized with creative designs and additional features. Ideas to try. Multi-tiered hangers that hold several plants. Incorporating colored cords or metallic threads. Adding wooden beads or rings to the structure for variety. 4. Furniture makeovers. Macrame can breathe new life into tired furniture. Use it to weave seating surfaces or backs for chairs, create headboards, or decorate stools. For chairs, use thicker cords for durability and comfort. Choose neutral colors for a minimalist look or bold hues for a statement piece. Try weaving intricate patterns like diamonds or chevrons to elevate the design. 5. Macrame room dividers. Room dividers are a large-scale macrame project that can transform a space. These functional pieces are perfect for open-plan homes or offices. Use a sturdy dowel or metal bar for the top frame. Combine thick and thin cords to create texture and visual interest. Experiment with openwork patterns to allow light to filter through. 6. Lampshades and light fixtures. Macrame lampshades turn ordinary lighting into stunning statement pieces. The patterns create fascinating shadows and add warmth to any space. Project ideas. Cover an existing lampshade frame with macrame knots. Create hanging pendant lamps by knotting around a metal ring. Use glow-in-the-dark or metallic cords for a modern twist. 7. Home textiles. Table runners and placemats. Macrame table runners add elegance and texture to dining setups. Pair them with complementary placemats or coasters for a cohesive look. Design tip. Use smaller knots and thin cords for intricate details or thick cords for a rustic vibe. Curtains and pillowcases. Curtains. Macrame curtains can replace standard fabric curtains for a breezy, boho feel. Add beads for a playful element. Pillowcases. Use macrame as an overlay for existing pillows to add depth and texture. 8. Wedding decor. Rustic and boho weddings benefit greatly from macrame details. Project ideas. Macrame arches or backdrops for ceremonies. Table runners and chair decorations. Handcrafted bouquet wraps for the bride and bridesmaids. Pro tip. Add flowers or greenery to the macrame designs for a lush, romantic look. 9. Pet accessories. Macrame isn't just for humans. Your furry friends can enjoy custom-designed accessories too. Ideas. sturdy leashes and collars, pet hammocks or swings for smaller animals, decorative toys using safe, pet-friendly materials. 10. Sculptural art. Push the boundaries of macrame with sculptural and 3D art pieces. Examples. Abstract wall art incorporates mixed media like wood, metal, or driftwood. Freestanding sculptures that serve as focal points in a room. Advanced tip. Experiment with unconventional materials such as wire to add structure and form to your designs. 11. Bottle and jar covers. Turn jars and bottles into boho-style vases or candle holders. These make excellent DIY gifts or party decorations. Design ideas. Use colorful cords for festive occasions. Add fringe or tassels to the base for extra flair. 12. Clothing enhancements. Macrame can add personality to clothing. Projects to try. Fringe tops or skirts with macrame detailing. Belts or sashes with intricate knot work. Shoulder straps or decorative panels for tops and dresses. Tips for getting started. Choose the right cord. Beginners may prefer softer cords like cotton for ease of use, while advanced crafters can experiment with jute, nylon, or leather. Tools you'll need. Invest in basic supplies like scissors, a tape measure, and a sturdy surface for knotting. Learn the knots. Start with basic knots like the square knot, half hitch, and lark's head before progressing to complex patterns. Incorporate embellishments. Beads, feathers, and tassels can elevate your projects. With macrame, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're creating practical items, fashion pieces, or artistic installations, this timeless craft allows you to combine creativity with functionality. Explore, experiment, and make it your own. Thank you for watching.